Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2007 Harley Davidson Heritage Softail Classic that I want to show you. Bike's got a few little upgrades on it. Got the driving lights and headlight hood here. Engine guard, set of highway pegs. Comes with a twin cam 88 and a 5-speed. Has some of the live to ride trim on it. Set of Vance & Hines long shots. Upgraded passenger pegs there. Showing a few signs of wear. The bags look like they need maybe some bag stiffeners put in them to straighten them back up. Tall passenger backrest. Got good tires front and rear. A lot of miles left on them. Scratch right in here. It's like a cigarette burn here on this seat. That just looks like little white spots, maybe some wax or paint. See a tiny little crack right here. Looks like RW on this bike, whoever that is. The windshield's got some marks on it. Still see through it pretty good. Windshield bag. It's got 42,543 miles on it. Cranks right up and runs good. Front fender looks pretty good. It's got a few little marks on it, a chip or two in there. If you'd like to know more about this bike, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. We ran this one through the shop and checked it out, so it's ready to ride. Qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranty options. We take almost anything in on trade. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.